So now that we've learned what exponents are, we're going to practice multiplying with them. After that, we're going to divide with them. Then we're going to make it really fun and combine multiplying and dividing with scientific notation. Alrighty, so multiplying powers with the same base. For every non-zero base a, again it's non-zero because multiplying zeros doesn't do any good, a, and for the exponents m and n, the rules are a to the m times a to the n. You can really add the exponents. Let me show you what that means, and we will practice this, so if it looks weird right now, don't worry about it. So if I have, let's say, 2 to the third power times, not additions, times 2 to the, let's say, fourth power. That is 2 to the seventh power. Notice the 3 plus the 4 to make the 7. Again, they have to have the exact same base. I had 2 as my base here both times. Now let me show you why that works. Technically, it's the same as having 2 times 2 times 2. That's this part, the 2 to the third. Times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's the 2 to the fourth right here. If you count them up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, well, it just makes 2 to the seventh. But again, the rule is kind of a nice shortcut for it. I'd recommend knowing this. Here we have power to a power. So what that means is if I had a real, so this says, by the way, for every non-zero base a, for the exponents m and n, a to the m, take that to the n power, is technically like multiplying the m and the n. So if I had 2 to the third power raised to the second power, technically that means I can have 2 to the 3 times 2, which is 2 to the sixth power. Now the reason that works, if I have 2 to the third, that's like 2 times 2 times 2, right? And if I have that squared, that means I have 2 of those. 2 times 2 times 2. Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2's multiplied, 2 to the sixth power. But again, the rule is a nice shortcut, a power to a power. Let me give you another example. If I have 4 to the 10th to the third, that's 4 to the 30th power. Kind of nice that way because then I don't have to write 10 and all those 4 to the 10th, like 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, out a whole bunch of times.